Hi friends, welcome to Jayashreebalan Balan-Learn Astrology. Today we are going to see Sun in Mrigasirsham Nakshatram. Those people who born on May 15th to June 15th, their Sun will be in Taurus. So we are going to see what is the uh, meaning of Sun in Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. Before starting, if you want to have consultation with me or learning astrology, you can reach me through jayashreebalan@gmail.com. I have given my contact number also in this video also. So, uh, first we have to know what is the Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. First, it is the Pushkara Nakshatra. I said first Sun, Kritika and Kritika Nakshatra. It shared 3 padas to Taras. Now Mrigashira is going to share the 2 padas to Gemini. So his Devata is Soma. How Soma? Soma is interlinked with the moon because moon is the one brought the Soma from the ocean. Now we are going to see because it is interlinked. So how moon got born? So every time from the Aries onwards, from Cancer up to Cancer, every Devata, every god born, immediately they did some appreciable story. The esoteric story is very effective in our entire life. Now I am going to tell the story how the moon god born and how he brought the Soma and what for he brought the Soma and how he became the Devata for Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. The Samudra Matan series, everybody knows that is nothing than that the ocean is a karma ocean. Sagara Samudram. We used to say the Samsara Samudram, Samsara Sagaram. Like the Sagaram in the sense it is ocean. The 11th house Kumbha, I say so many times, it is the ocean of our karma. So ocean of karma churning time, the mountain was Meru, and then they used the Sheshanaga as the rope. While churning the karma ocean, some blue and black poison emerged from the ocean. That may be entire university, entire thing, everything will be vanished. So Lord Shiva came forward and then he drank all the poison. During that time, the snake, which was in his neck, and then so many creatures all in his body, that also drank some kind of poison. That is why till date, snack poison is a very dangerous to our life. And that time, so when the poison went into the throat of Lord Shiva, he started to feeling like a burning sensation, like he was in trouble. Immediately, the Brahmas, Mrigasira is the Brahma. Brahma only turned to the Mrigasira in the sense it is a deer, kind of deer. So the Brahma's mind-born child, Atri, Brahma Rishi, Atri, and Anusha, that he moon is born to the Atri and mother is Anusha. Atri went to deep into the ocean. He started to meditation and chanted the mantra so that immediately in his throat, moon goddess came out. And then he was holding the Soma in his hand. And directly he went and sat on the head of the crown of the Shiva. And then from there, he poured the Soma into his Shiva, Lord Shiva's throat so that he was cured. That is why the Soma is nothing that is the nectar. Soma is the nectar. That is it's emerged from it is given by the moon god. So that is why moon is called a medicine for medicine, and it is an emotional thing. And the it is the 5th nakshatra. Mrigasirsham is the 5th nakshatra. Always 5th nakshatra and 5th house is the mantra baba, mantra. Because of Atri's mantra only moon god emerged. 5th, that, and it is a Mrigasirsham. So the god is actually Mangal. Mangal god is, we used to say, Muruga and so Kartikeya. The Om, first, whatever mantra we are saying, preceding that, we used to say Om. That Om is came from the Muruga. That Om, the main mantra. Om. Unless and until we chant Om, nothing is full. The mantra is not fulfilled. The Om must be chanted preceding our all the mantras started. That is emerged from the moon only. So it is interlinked. Soma is nothing. Soma is the blood. Murha is Mangal is a blood. So that is a liquid state. When the moon, the liquid is very much necessary to, it should not be blocked. Okay. So whatever the upward coming to the upward flowing blood is called waxing moon. The downward going blood in our body is called waning moon. Okay, it is interlinked with the emotions. If we are having lot of trouble, and sometimes the heart attack, because of heart attack is some kind of someone hears some bad news, something. So it is linked with the moon because emotion, everything in that in this thing only. And the poison with the snake also came to here. The till date we are facing the snake poison. We are still scaring with the naga is because of this reason only. Okay. And moon only helped Lord Shiva for curing his throat, that poison in his throat, moon only cured. So Shiva was very happy. So he gave 27 Nakshatra, 27 wives to moon. So what happened? Here, throat, this is the throat chakra. And this is Venus house. Where moon is a emotion. So here he is having 27 wives, not only one wife. So the sixth drive, we are about the human being, whatever creature having the sixth drive, it is from the throat, not from any other body part. So here only, so it is a emotion. It's the what we can say in the Mosam, Vasanta Rutu. So here everything is a very beautiful nature. Everything we so many kavitas, poet, singers, everyone born in this only because the emotion attached with the female and male. They have only the poets come. So here all the singers, all the poets who are all songwriters, their planet will be in Mrigasirsham Nakshatram. That is the main thing. And what happened? In this way, he is a very, actually from the beginning, moon when he born, immediately he cured the Shiva. The childhood period itself, he cured the Shiva. And then he got 27 wives. It is not enough for them, for moon. So moon, what he did, he saw Tara, who is the wife of Jupiter, Brihaspati. And then he kidnapped Tara. That story everybody knows. But when Jupiter asked, Brihaspati asked him to return his wife, but in the meantime, she was pregnant. Tara was pregnant with Mercury. So Buddha. So what happened? So he is not ready to return his the wife, Brihaspati's wife, Tara. But eventually, when her pregnancy was towards the 8th month, 9th month, she lost her beautiness. She is looking like a ugly. So he returned the wife of Brihaspati. After that, he claimed that the child is not him. Some peculiar fight was going with Moon and Jupiter. Actually, at the end of the day, Jupiter is the judge of in the heaven. He is the judge. He is the law enforcement system, head of the law enforcement system. So Jupiter only won the custody of Moon, custody of Mercury. So here, what one class is saying, those people who are having the not means foster father. So father through him, if they grow, they will shine a lot because Mercury learns so many things through Jupiter only. because he left Moon. Moon is the actually father of the Mercury, but he had not taken care of Mercury. Actually, though the knowledge which Mercury had, everything through Jupiter only. So here, foster father is the one, is a precious gift from the God to the child, those people who are having the second father. And moreover, from the Sagittarius, Jupiter's kingdom, the seventh house is the Mercury's Gemini. So here what happened, that the duality came into play, the father's duality, and everything is came into play here only. The wife of the Jupiter, Tara, was kidnapped from, and then she was having a child from the moon. These stories, because the seventh house is our spouse also. So it is the duality, it went to the duality. So these concepts are also interlinked with this nakshatra. And another thing is, main we have to see with the Ketu and Mars, about the Mars and all. First, I have to explain about the Mars itself. The Mrigasirsham Nakshatra's Mars Janma Nakshatra is the Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. Okay. Now I am going to say some sub story, which is very much necessary for this Mrigasirsham Nakshatra, because already Saturn is the karma lord. Because what is the what is the meaning of Saturn? Saturn punish the people who are not taking care of the poor, who are not taking care of the elders. If we are troubling our elders, if we are troubling the poor, we are not feeding the poor, 100% Saturn will come back to us and then harm us. That is the reason. Because of this attitude of Saturn only, he punished his own brother Yama. Okay, so for punish Yama, he went to Saturn, went to the Mahakaleshwar, and then he did a meditation. He got the boon of the 10,000 elephant power to sat back on the Yama. So everything knows, the story is what is going to be happen. The God knows everything, and here uh, Ketu is called Ganesha. Okay, Ganesha is nothing. He is also brother of Yama. We are saying it is a son. Yama is the son of Surya, but Surya is none other. He himself is the Shiva. So Shiva's son is the Ganesha. So because of that only, he want to give some exercise, something like that. So Yama became the small rat. So Ganesha sat on back. Those Ganesha's vehicle become the rat. So Chandra does not know anything. Chandra actually joked with the Ganesha. So Ganesha gave a shrap to Moon, so that the waxing and waning it came. The thing was happening. No, first actually waning was that took place. Then actually Chandra helped Shiva. So he went and pegged with the Lord Shiva. Since Lord Shiva knows that he only is the help to him, that is why he said, "You come, and whenever the time comes, if your waning time comes, you come and sat back on my head. So after 3 days, I will lift you again to the sky level." So that the waning and waxing started. Here, what happened? The case Ganesha is nothing. He is the Ketu. So that only when Mrigasirsham Nakshatra, if Ketu is sitting in the Mrigasirsham Nakshatra, Ketu is debilitated. Same way, that is why here Moon is debilitated in the Scorpio. So Ketu is exalted, and Ketu's own house is in Scorpio, and then Moon get debilitation over here. Because Moon only joked with the Ganesha. That is the reason Moon debilitation and Ketu's own house is over the same way. Mrigasirsham, if it is sitting in the Gemini or Taurus, both the way it got debilitation. Ketu is debilitated. Okay. And the same time, because of this only, because of the sex drive, so he is having so many wives. Arjuna is saving same wife, a lot of wives, and then Chandra is also having lot of wives. So here, what happened? Those people who are in this nakshatra, there's a lot of craziness. Want to have everything, because they want to satisfy. Moon want to satisfy all the 27 wives. Other than that, he is what we have to say. He was roaming around so many girls also. That is why he is having a lot of wealth, as well as he is losing it also. The Mrigasirsham Nakshatra is the one is will have a lot of wealth, as well as they will lose the wealth also because of the greediness. The greediness given because of this Nakshatra. Okay, and then they will be very suspicious in the every way. They will suspicious. They will do sincerely work. If they take this job, then they will complete their work in the sincerity with sincerity. After the because of the wounds of waning and vexing, the lot of problem he faced. That is why up to 32 age there will be a trial in their life. After that they will settle. Okay. Now we come to that sun in the first pada, sun in the Mrigasirsham Nakshatra, first pada, which is Saturn. Here it is, I said, this is a Pushkara Nakshatra. So Saturn and Mercury effects comes into uh, the Taurus, and the third pada and fourth pada, Ketu and Venus effects comes into the Gemini. So in the first pada comes into the Saturn. Saturn in the sense it is the 10th lord and the ninth lord. It is good one. So there will be they are very fortunate, and it is the Venus house. And then, so Mrigasisha is I said already, they will be very handsome, very, what you can say, Kim, yeah, they are very handsome, very personally good personality. They like a lot of flowers and scents and all. Successful in their business, wealth, lot of wealth and all. But the thing is, this in this Mrigasisha Nakshatra, people have throat problem. Always they will have a problem in the throat, eyes, and face. This is the second of. So they will have a problem with the eyes. Sun is eyes, and then face and throat. So all these problems they can face this disease. And the second pada comes into the Mercury effect. So here all the poet and kavitas, singers are born in this nakshatra. So they will in this nakshatra, the second pada of Mrigasira. They will be very, very beautiful because it's the fifth lord as well. Fifth lord is the Matra Siddhi. And then they are very beautiful in speech, very good voice. First, we have to just throat. That's why their voice will be very beautiful. All the singers are in this and successful in their life. But the thing is, health with the throat or face something. And now come to the third pada, which fall into the Gemini and Ketu's effects comes in. Here, Ketu's exaltation in Sagittarius. So here it will be very good. So Ketu's exaltation in Sagittarius, that is a Jupiter's house. Jupiter is the Dhanakaraka. So they will be related to that. This is a duality. So financial, economic, so what you can say, economic, finance and economic, like that. They will in the public figure. They will do with the finance, and they will shine everything, but they will have a nose problem. Their speech will be something, some sound will come. And then fourth pada with Venus. Venus, the fifth house is Venus. From here, if you see the Gemini, it's the fifth house as well as the 12th house. Public service, the Venus, so that is why they will do lot of services, good in speech. And then what we can say, they are good in speech, but they will have a nose problem. Another thing I want to say, they will do a lot of research also. Research. Yeah, this much only I know about the sun in Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. So yeah, here I said, previously I said sun, May 15th to June 15th, sun will be in Taurus, which is the two pada comes into Mrigasirsham. Then June 15th to July 15th, the first 6 degree comes into the third pada and fourth pada fall into the Gemini. So these from these places, this whatever I said that suits for the if you born in this month. This much only I know about Mrigasirsham Nakshatra, sun in Mrigasirsham Nakshatra. Thanks for watching my channel.